In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add music to Love Spouse app on iPhone. Firstly, launch the Love Spouse app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged in and connected to your device via Bluetooth. Ensure your device is paired and active. You should see it in the home screen or device list. Now on the home screen of the app, look for the music icon or a section called Music Mode or Music Vibration or sometimes just Music. Just tap to open that section. There are two common ways to add music. Use built-in music or recommended songs. Just tap recommended music or online music and choose a track and play it. The connected device will vibrate in sync with the rhyme. And the second option is to add local music. iOS restrictions means you cannot upload MP3s directly unless they are saved in the app's sandbox or supported by the Files app. Just save your MP3 or audio file in the Files app on your iPhone, and in the Love Spouse app, tap Add Music or Local Files. Browse through the files or music library and select the song you want to use, and once selected, just press play and the device will start vibrating on the beat. After choosing a song, you can adjust vibration strength, set auto-sync to beats, and use manual patterns in some versions. And that's it, guys, as simple as that.